Hey, imagine that you're doing a podcast, right? In one of these Rode consoles that looks like this. You're going to need to supply when you're doing podcast recording. Everyone should be wearing headphones. You see, in this case, there's 4 headphone outputs there because there's 4 channels here. So I recommend using, these are industry standard Samson headphones. They're sturdy, they're not gonna break, no one's gonna take them because they feel flimsy. They're really light. Nobody's gonna take them because they don't look like they're expensive, because they're really affordable headphones. But the thing about these headphones is that they perform amazingly. So you always, for recordings, should have these microphones. So like when I have 4 of these. So when I bought this, I bought 4 of these, and every time that I see them, and I remember, because then I take them and then I forget them somewhere else, because they're just reliable. They're reliable headphones. I buy 2-3 of them every once in a while. I always have a bunch of these. This box I've had for a little while. I bought them. These are unopened still, because in case I need more headphones, boom, I open this one, and it's it. I don't have to worry about it working, because these are just really reliable. They're made out of plastic. They're really light. They always fit nice. They're comfortable. That's what you need. That's what you need from them. So these headphones I recommend, especially for podcasters or for anyone that you need just to have a reference microphone. This is good for recording, like if you're recording an instrument and you need to be able to hear yourself. These are perfect for that. So, happy recording.